Have you ever found yourself struggling to organize data in Python? It can be a real headache, especially when you're trying to convert arrays into a structured format. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to tackle how to convert a Pandas array into separate columns in a data frame. I totally get it. Working with data can sometimes feel like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. You're not alone in this. Many people face challenges when trying to manipulate data structures in Pandas. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I convert this array into a Pandas data frame with separate columns? They provided a data structure that looks like this, an array of arrays paired with a number. Let's dive into this and find a solution together. So what's the issue here? The user has a list of tuples, where each tuple contains an array and a number. The goal is to transform this into a data frame where each element of the array becomes a separate column. This is a common task in data manipulation, and we can solve it step by step. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to streamline your data manipulation tasks in Pandas even further. To convert the given data into a Pandas data frame, the user should first import the necessary libraries. This includes importing Pandas and NumPy. Next, the user needs to prepare the data. They can create a list of tuples where each tuple contains a NumPy array and a corresponding value. Now the user can convert this list of tuples into a data frame. They should use the Pandas data frame constructor and specify the columns. Finally, the user can display the data frame to see the result. This can be done simply by printing the data frame. Fun fact, did you know that Pandas was originally developed for financial modeling? Now it's a go-to tool for data analysis in many fields. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach, suggested by a user, involves using NumPy's append function within a list comprehension. They create a new data frame by appending each row's elements together. For better efficiency, the user also recommends using NumPy's column stack function along with zip. This method stacks the columns directly and creates the data frame in a more optimized way. They also provided timing comparisons, showing that the column stack method is significantly faster than the append method. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to convert the array into a list of lists. They recommend using a list comprehension to combine each array element with its corresponding value, and then creating a data frame from that list. Here's the quick tip I promised. Always keep your data organized and well-structured. This will save you a lot of time and headaches when analyzing or visualizing your data. And there you have it. You've successfully converted an array into a Pandas data frame with separate columns. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data manipulation.